authenticity. It's a hot topic these days. We're all talking about it. We know it when we see it, and we know it when we don't. But one thing's for sure, we all know it's important when it comes to communicating. The question is how? How can I communicate more authentically using my heart and mind? Are there strategies that can help me do that? Hello, my name is Christina Nemec, and I'm founder of Simply Worded. Join me this April 15th at 3 o'clock p.m. for an NCET BizNet Cafe live stream. I'll share a program with you that I call Get Real. It's a 4-step process designed to help you communicate more effectively. We'll talk about the role or the roles you play. We'll see if they're working out for you or not. We'll think about the energy you bring to a communication, and we'll explore audiences to help you think more sensitively about talking with other people or writing to other people. Then we'll wrap with some language tips and tricks that can help you communicate more effectively right away. So join me this April 15th for an NCET BizNet live stream. I can't wait to see you there.